Stop scrolling because boredom and a sewing machine can be a dangerous combination in the best possible way. I was scrolling Pinterest and found some seriously clever little sewing ideas that are not just cute, they're actually useful too. Sometimes the small projects end up being the ones you use the most, and today we're looking at little things you can sew when you're bored that might have you thinking, wait a minute, I actually need that. Some of these are practical, some are surprisingly smart, and a few made me wonder why I never thought of them before. I linked the Pinterest board in the description so you can look through the ideas and patterns yourself, and I want you to vote on your favorite idea because once we hit 100 votes, I might recreate the winning project in my own style. Now I am curious which one is going to steal the show, so let's jump in and see what boredom plus creativity came up with today. There's something different about creating something with your own hands that buying something from a store just cannot quite replace. Think about it for a second. You can walk into a store, pick up a cute little pouch, organizer, fabric basket, or keychain, and bring it home in a bag. And there is nothing wrong with that at all. But when you sit down at your sewing machine and turn a simple piece of fabric into something useful, something changes. Suddenly, it is not just an item anymore. It becomes a little reminder that you had an idea and actually brought it into the real world. Even tiny projects have that feeling attached to them. Sometimes we think we need giant projects to feel accomplished, but little things have a sneaky way of proving otherwise. A small project made when you are bored can quietly teach you new skills without you even realizing it. One little zipper pouch can teach you confidence with zippers. A fabric basket can teach structure. A simple organizer can teach measurements and precision. And before long, those small moments start stacking on top of each other. You begin realizing that creativity does not always arrive in giant dramatic moments. Sometimes creativity shows up while sitting at a sewing machine with a few fabric scraps and deciding to make something useful just because you felt like it. That is what makes these little projects special. They are not only about staying busy. They are about building confidence one stitch at a time and discovering that even simple ideas can become something meaningful. There's also a certain kind of joy that comes from using something later and remembering the moment you made it. Every time you see it, you remember that it came from your own creativity and effort. Those projects start becoming little reminders that ideas do not have to stay inside your head forever. They can become real things you use every single day. I also think upcycling changes the way you look at yourself a little bit too, because once you realize you can transform something simple into something beautiful. You start realizing how much potential there is in things people overlook. A plain t-shirt that somebody was ready to donate can suddenly become something exciting again. And there's something hopeful about that. It reminds me that creativity is not about having the fanciest supplies. It is about being willing to start. Some people wait years to try sewing or crafting because they think they need a perfect craft room or expensive equipment first, but so many talented creators started with almost nothing. They just started making things anyway. That is why I love videos like this, because they show that inspiration is everywhere. I want you to tell me which idea is your favorite, because I love seeing which projects stand out the most to everybody. Also, if you recreate any of these ideas in your own style. That is the fun part, because no two creators make something exactly the same way. And do not forget, there are more helpful tutorial videos linked below with sewing tips, beginner-friendly ideas, and creative projects you can binge after this one. There are also helpful products linked below, like sewing machines, sewing needles, and supplies in case you are looking for tools that can help make projects easier. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and keep seeing possibilities where other people only see old clothes. And when this video is over, make sure you watch the next video popping up on the screen, because I found even more creative upcycling and sewing inspiration waiting for you over there. And I will see you in the next video.